two houses.
Hello and welcome to another one of our videos in a current series of the products that we bought a year on. And the reason why we're doing these videos is to show you, if you're looking at buying these products a year on, with all the use we've had of doing basically two houses up with this ladder, this Werner step ladder, can the products hold up to it? That's basically it, isn't it, really? Can they help? Oh, they're
right. Good,
yeah.
For you guys looking at this, you'll see this had a lot of use, and it has had a lot of use. This was about 40 quid, I think, from Screwfix. This Werner. There's some little details on the back there. 3-step.
Yeah,
stool.
So Werner 3-step step stool.
Yeah. How good is it? Well,
you can see. Sorry, just interrupt. You can see it's Werner at the front there.
Yeah. This has helped me out so many times. I'm going to go now with the only fault with it, and this is the only fault, is that sometimes these rubber feet fall off. That is it.
Yeah, that's the only
thing. We lost it, it fell off. It didn't knock off, it fell off. And it basically, you just pull it out like that. It locks in. Even the locking catch is still as robust as it was from day one. There.
That's the safety part, isn't it, there?
Yeah. You've got a tray at the top if you want it to put it down, and you've got your steps there. And I'm telling you now, this has been so useful, because sometimes you just need that little bit of height.
I think we've even lent this to our neighbour to do a bit of work as well at one point.
And I'm telling you now,
still as steady as anything.
3. I won't go too hard, it's going to knock my head. It's got a tray at the top for your tools, for your scraper, drop of drilling, paintbrushes. It's been so useful.
The plastic's not cracked. We've obviously used it inside primarily, although we have used it outside, and although we shouldn't have done, we have left it outside, for a couple of weeks, and it hasn't really rusted.
One thing I noticed about it, even when it's got a little bit of surface rust, the paint has stayed on it. The fastenings, the rivets haven't pulled out, nothing's bent. It's travelled hundreds of miles. It's just so good.
We've done
we've
done no maintenance on the subway. It's literally been used and used and used, and it's still as really good as they bought it.
It's just an ideal step ladder to have in the house for those small jobs. The thing you've got to remember about it as well is its footprint. It's so stable. You wouldn't get another.
It does have a little bit of a wobble there because it's fallen off. And if Werner, if you are watching this, then you should probably do something about that. I know they're glued on, but ours did fall off when we got it out of the box, so that wasn't our fault. So,
but apart from that, it's just excellent quality build. That's what I would say. And you can see it's like I'm not going to labour points. It's had a load of use. So, if you're looking for a step ladder for, say, to access your kitchen cupboards, to do the odd little bit decorating, change a light bulb, anything like that, then if you watch me going up, I'll go it from the side so it's easier. Because you've got this nice wide handle, you can hold on all the time, and it's wide steps as you come down. So
you can see how high you can get up. You can get up to the ceiling.
Yeah.
This is a standard house ceiling.
Yeah, so
nothing special.
Change your bulb.
Nothing special.
If you did have bulbs in it, change that all right. You do your painting, look.
Yeah.
Coat, and you can have your paint tin there and things like that. So I wouldn't be without this. In fact, some jobs I probably couldn't have done without it, at ease, to be honest, because of the accessibility and that it's provided me. So yeah, if you're looking for a step ladder for inside the home, outside the home, even washing your caravan, to be honest.
Yeah. Or we have had it on grass, haven't we?
Yeah, it's been fine.
And or you could put a border or a mat down. It is okay on grass.
Absolutely fine. I would say go for this. 40 quid. You see the use we've had out of it. It will last anybody a lifetime.
And obviously it folds up nice and neatly, doesn't it? So you can store it in a garage or even in your home in a cupboard. There
it's
we go.
Ideal for, like say, just cleaning in the house. You know, if somebody wants to do a bit of dusting or something or whatever, it's just perfect for jobs like that. So a year on and a bit. Yeah, excellent build quality, Werner. You know, well done for the design. It's obviously been thought about. Nothing's cracked.
It's not gone brittle. It's not cracked.
We've abused it, if I'm honest. So you know, it's a brilliant product. And if this helps you decide what step ladder to buy, go for one of these. So a big plus with this is the plastic steps because they grip.
Yeah, they've got plenty of tread on them.
Yeah, grip, and you don't slip on them.
And they're not cracked, and they're not worn down or anything.
No, there's a lot of strength there. Look.
And it's got strength.
Honeycomb strength. There's a lot of clever design here in the moulding. So this helps you decide on buying or what little step ladder you need for inside or outside the home. Even cleaning the downstairs windows, obviously not upstairs. Then, and if it's helped you along a bit, why not help us along a little bit? And subscribe to our YouTube channel, please. Thanks for watching.